Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we enable game mode in our Tecno phone device. Guys, you want to enable your game mode setting, and friends, how can you enable in your Tecno phone? In this video, I will show you. So before starting video, friends, first of all, go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So and first of all, we will turn on our phone setting to enable our game mode. Then guys scroll it. So friends, you can see this type of setting in your Tecno phone. So how can you enable guys your game mode setting? So when scroll it, click on guys your phone special function setting guys, tap here. And friends, you can see guys your game mode setting, friends, tap here. Friends, you want to enable your game mode, so friends, you can enable from this right side. You can see improve game experiences, and guys you can see guys your this advanced settings guys, you want to off and on guys, you want to enable, you can enable and disable from. Yes, you can see turn off automatic brightness adjustment, you can enable and disable from here. As you can see game data guys, you want to use no game selected. So as you can see game assistant panel, you want to enable, you want to disable, you can enable and disable from here. So like that guys, you can enable your game mode setting in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.